Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jasmine Okal. I'm married with two children. The daughter is 18. My son is 17. I'm 48 years old. I'm living in 95 Lawag, Aguilar, Pangasinan. I'm graduating 2 years course college in computer technician. I decide to work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. My work experience in Hong Kong in 2 years, since 2013 up to 2015. I have an employer with 4 children. I take care of the 4 children, 13, 11, and 9 and 6. Every morning, I prepare the breakfast and prepare the uniform. At 6 years old, I bring the school and pick up the school. And the evening, I prepare the food and feeding and bathing. My duties and responsibilities, uh, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and cooking. My second job in Russia as a 9 years in one employer. I have children. I take care of 3 children, 9, 6, and 1. The 1-year-old since newborn, I take care. I was a focus on one in baby since a newborn at to going to 1 year old. I prepare for the feeding and bathing, and my duties and responsibilities when the baby is sleeping, I cleaning, uh, laundry, ironing, and simple cooking for the children's food. My my work until as a 9 years, I'm leaving this employer because she never stopped a war in Russia. That's why I decide to go home in the Philippines, and now I find a job to again in Hong Kong. I'm a person kind, trustworthy, and hardworking. I want to go Hong Kong again to earn money and help to my family needs. To my future employer, please hire me. I promise to be my best duty and responsibilities. I hope you choose me as a helper. Thank you and God bless.